Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to go over how to find trending high demand niches on Etsy, and it's really simple and easy to do, and it doesn't take much guesswork to find these type of high demand and narrow niches that are trending right now that you guys can create designs for, you can create products for, and really rank on the Etsy algorithm and kind of beat your competition to the punchline in these trends. So today we are using one of my favorite tools, which is Everbee, and this is a paid sponsorship video with Everbee, but this is a tool that I use on a daily basis when I am trying to create my next products for my Etsy store. So we are going to hop onto my laptop here and I'm going to show you guys how I find those trending high demand niches in a moment here, guys. Alrighty guys, so we are on my laptop and I am just on my home page of my Etsy account, and I have been looking over trends for some time now, for the past few days. So I know what's really trending right now, and unfortunately it's a little bit too late to hop on certain trends such as the graduation niche or the Mother's Day niche. For your type of listing to rank on the Etsy algorithm, it generally takes 30 days or a few weeks time frame for a listing to rank. You can get sales right away if you have social media and you're really bringing people into your store that way. But if you don't have social media and you're only doing your Etsy store, you're not really going to see that traffic that you want to see to get those sales at the correct times of graduation season or Mother's Day. So I wanted to show you guys a new trending niche that I found recently. I didn't know this was a thing, but I saw that there is this Tumbler hoodie type of trend and niche going right now, and I have not heard of this yet, but it looks like it's selling a lot right now. Just to have an oversized hoodie with this kind of funky retro font on the back, or I guess it could be labeled as a groovy retro font. But just to look into some of these right now, these are pretty basic designs. There's not much to them besides this person really spent their time in putting all the different ways to say I love you, and I think that's really neat. And it says it's a bestseller, so that's a very good indicator that this is a current trending niche that people are searching for. As you guys can see, it says visco hoodie, oversized hoodie, trendy hoodie, tumbler hoodie, aesthetic clothing, ways to say I love you. So it looks like this is very, very trending right now as far as that goes. And if we use our Everbee tool and we click on analytics for this specific type of design, Everbee will show us exactly what type of tags they're using. And then on top of that, we're seeing how many sales that this store is making. So as you guys can see, for this one design alone, guys, this is estimated at 90 sales a month. 90 sales. That is insane. That is mind-blowing that this store is getting that much sales off of one hoodie alone. It says estimated monthly revenue of $1,665. So this listing, you guys, is making over $1,000 a month in revenue. Of course, we don't know what their expenses are for the hoodies. Maybe they're printing these themselves. Maybe they're doing print on demand, but that's pretty good. And this listing age is 6 months old. It has a total of 154 reviews. So that's a really good indicator. And as you guys can see, their whole store has 552 reviews. So that's really great. So I want to use the analytics for this whole page now, just to kind of see which ones are the best sellers out of all of these. So of course we're ignoring these top 4 listings and we're going to scroll down so those are out of our vision so we can actually see what ones are selling and what ones aren't. So it looks like this hoodie as well. I'm going to bring this into a different tab. This hoodie as well is selling. So a lot of these that are trending are just really almost positivity quotes. And I like to say positivity quote is not really a niche because it's hard to search up for your customer. And even if your customer does search it, it's a very saturated niche to go into. But this looks like a subcategory of positivity sayings that is more trending. It's that visco, almost, I hate to say this, but this is like Generation Z type of sweatshirts. And I am part of Generation Z. I'm part of millennial generation, kind of the in-between. I was born in 1996, so go figure. I'm in between 2 generations, supposedly. People will say I'm millennial. Some people will say that I'm Gen Z. Comment down below. What would you say I am? Because I don't know. I just say I'm here. So guys, anyways, as you guys can see, this is another bestseller sweatshirt, and it looks like they sell it in t-shirt as well, but mostly just in the hoodie sweatshirt. And they do suggest this looks like an oversized Gildan 18500, I want to say, hoodie. And again, this is just a very retro quote on the back of a sweatshirt, and it's selling a lot. As you guys can see, we're going to pull up our analytics with Everbee again and see how much they're selling per month, but I'm guessing it has to be well over $1,000 as we saw before. So yeah, this is making 42 sales a month. Revenue that's estimated is over 1,000, and this has 12 reviews. And again, it looks like they're doing trendy hoodie, trendy sweatshirt, funny hoodie sayings, oversized hoodie, oversized sweatshirt, gift for women, aesthetic sweatshirt. And then in these specific tags, it doesn't even have the Tumblr tag at all in it. So that's interesting as far as that goes. And when I was in high school, this is so funny because when I was in high school, Tumblr was so big on the internet, and then it kind of just died off. I think maybe once I got into college, but Tumblr was a huge thing when I was in high school. And I don't know why, and I know I'm still young, but I feel so much older now when I talk about Tumblr and being on Tumblr in high school. So anyways, guys, this is something that's trending though I've seen is the Visco and the Tumblr. So that's kind of neat that these hoodies are selling so much. And the really nice part, if you guys do print on demand and Etsy, with print on demand, hoodie sweatshirts are actually really high profit margin along with crew neck sweatshirts. So I think that's a really good product type and niche to go into as far as that goes. And just in this specific niche, the kind of Tumblr / positivity niche, I'm just seeing so many sales that this really shows that this is a very narrow niche. It has high search volumes and high demand right now on Etsy. So this is really coming through for these specific stores. Again, they're using Tumblr hoodie in their SEO, smiley face hoodie, aesthetic hoodie, trendy hoodie, oversized hoodie. And then we're going to look at the analytics one more time. But most of these stores are just kind of banking on that Tumblr aesthetic, and they are really doing well as far as positivity sweatshirts go. And positivity, like I said earlier, is just a niche that I have not had a desire to go into because it's so hard to rank in the positivity niche. But these specific sweatshirts are going up above the competition because they have something different and unique to them, which is that Tumblr aesthetic, trendy, Visco type of tags and SEO that's really pulling their items up in the search and making it trending on Etsy. So guys, that is gonna be it for this video today. So I hope this helped some of you guys who are looking for trending items on Etsy. I would suggest one of the easiest ways to really search is just clicking into the search once you log in and looking at the popular right now. That's essentially how I got here because it was in my suggested. So I clicked into it and I was like, wow, this is really cool that this is now a new type of niche that I didn't think was a very popular niche. I didn't even know it was a niche, to be quite honest. So it's always good to do your market research. And like I said, Everbee is a great tool to see the estimated monthly sales, the estimated monthly revenue. And as you guys can see in this one niche alone, these sweatshirts are making these store owners, and most of these store owners are either doing print on demand or printing these sweatshirts themselves. And with that alone, they're making over $1,000 in estimated monthly revenue per sweatshirt design, so to speak, and listing per month. And that's really a really good profit margin. So anyways, guys, I hope this tutorial helped a lot of you looking for trending niches on Etsy in 2022. And you guys can download, again, a free trial of Everbee down below. I would highly recommend them to find trending niches, find good SEO for your new Etsy listings, and how to really stand out above the crowd as far as the Etsy competition goes, and finding products that will actually sell rather than kind of throwing spaghetti at a wall and creating listings that will not sell in the long run. So I will see you guys all in my next video here. Bye guys.